how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service. So let's get started by showing you the step-by-step tutorial of how you can do all of that. So first of all, go to your favorite browser and enter to Google Maps, then type the United States in the search. That's the market we're going to work on. It's the best market that you can apply this method to. Then zoom in on the United States and choose a state or a city that you're going to start with. For example, I'm going to choose the Kansas, for example. Here I'm going to choose Kansas. Let's zoom in on Kansas here, and I'm going to choose Lions, or let's choose Lions to start with. So here let's zoom in on this city or town, and here let's go to the search and type some kind of a small business like a hair salon or a plumber or an auto repair. So let's go with plumbers to see all of the plumbers in this area. So here these are their profiles. As you can see in here, you have a lot of plumbers in here, and make sure to reach out to the ones with less than 100 reviews in their profile. Here this one has 2, 1, 20, 15. So make sure to reach to all of the ones that has less than 100 reviews. For example, let's start with this one, Economy Plumbing. He doesn't have a website. I think he's one contractor. He doesn't have a website, so we can offer the website creation service as well for this small business. And we can also offer the help with removing the bad reviews, but I think he has only good reviews. As you can see, he has 2 reviews and all of them are good. So we can offer just the website creation, and the way to do that is to call him directly via his phone number, or you can just take the phone number and check if he has a profile in WhatsApp. Then you can send him a message explaining your idea and explaining how the website is going to help him generate more money. And that's the only way to convince him to purchase your service. Let's check the others to show you an example of bad reviews and how you can remove them. So here let's choose this one who has 15 reviews. I'm certain that we're going to find a bad review in here, and he has a website. Let's check the website to see if we can offer a renovation to the website or not. This website is a little bit up to date, even though it's very simple, but let's skip that and let's see if we can find bad reviews. And as you can see, they have a lot of bad reviews. So let's scroll down. The first one is a bad review. Will not be using their services in the future. I scheduled an appointment for a quote on a pipe burst. They had a hidden fee of $85 for a diagnostic fee, which they never even made a diagnosis. The second bad review is, if you read other reviews, you'll see that they're not the most upfront, transparent company when it comes to prices. Just seems like a very shady business that screws over the community. So here they have a lot of bad reviews. So you can reach out to this small business by highlighting all of these bad reviews, then saying that those bad reviews affect their business to the worst. It's preventing them from getting more clients than they should have got, and also it's giving them a bad reputation in the market. no one would like to work with them anymore, because that they have a lot of bad reviews, honestly. So you can just call them directly in here via their number, or we can go again to their website. I think I saw a Facebook profile in there, and you can send them a message throughout their Facebook profile. So let's go to the Facebook profile to see. So here their Facebook profile button is not working. I'm clicking on it right now and it's not working. So that gives us more services to offer them. We can offer to renovate their website as well. So guys, just make sure to multiply the method. Make sure to use it on all of these plumbers that you can find in this area. Then you move on to hair salons, hairdressers, for example. I'm going to show you an example in hair salon. So here, these are all the results. We have the hair company in here. They have 34 reviews. I think we can see here some bad reviews that we can remove for them. Let's check. We have here a 3-star review. Loved being here. It was super fun. Not ecstatic about the result though. They did not tell me the full prices of everything until I was leaving. For example, the nails were $20 and it wasn't until after she added decoration. So this is a very long review, and it's somehow bad, and the owner even answered to the review. That means the review must be very bad for them, or they want just to clear the air between them and the clients. But either ways, they would like to remove this review as well. And here, let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review. But I think, guys, you get the idea. Just keep looking for bad reviews, then make sure to mention the reviews when you call them or when you send them the message, to ensure that they won't refuse your services or your offers. And the same thing, you will do it again with the other hair salons, for example this one as well, especially the ones with no website. You can offer to create a website for them, and also mention that the website would ease things for them. It would help their clients and also them book appointments, and it would help them save the fees of hiring someone to answer the calls of the clients. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.